Hello dear student of class 9. Welcomes to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher, Mr. Manisar, and today we are going to revise the island. See, dear student, in this map. In Arabian Sea, here we have Lakshadweep Island. See, this is in Arabian Sea. This is our Lakshadweep Island. And in Bay of Bengal, here we have Andaman and Nicobar Island. So dear student, here in our country we have two islands. One is Lakshadweep Island and another is Andaman Island in Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. The Andaman and Nicobar Island. Dear student, the Andaman and Nicobar Island are elongated chain of islands located in Bay of Bengal. The entire group of islands is divided into broad categories. The Andaman in the north and the Nicobar in the south. It is believed that these islands are an elevated portion of submarine mountains. This island lie close to equator and experience equatorial climate and has thick forest cover. India's only active volcano is found on Barren Island in Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. See, this is the map of Andaman Island, locations of the island groups of India. Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, there is a Andaman Nicobar Island. Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island group lies close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. This group of islands is composed of small coral islands. Earlier, they were known as Lakkadev, Minikoi, and Amindev. In 1973, these were named as Lakshadweep. Kavaratti Island is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep. The Pitti Island, which is uninhabited, has a bird sanctuary. See some small islands in Lakshadweep Island with Kavaratti Island. This is a map of Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. This is one of the map of Andaman Island. So these are the two island groups in India. Now there's some beautiful pictures in Andaman Island. Vegetation, tribal, birds and animal species. So, a detailed account of different physiographic units highlights the unique features of each region. We learn in physical division of India. It would, however, be clear that each region complements the other, makes the country richer in its natural resources. The mountains are the major sources of water and forest wealth. The northern plain are the greeneries of the country. They provide the base for early civilization. The plateau is a storehouse of minerals, which has played a crucial role in the industrialization of the country. The coastal region and island groups provide the sites for fishing and port activities. So, these are the physical division of India that we have learned. So, dear student, here the assignment question on today's topic. You should write these questions answer properly in your notebook. So, it is all about the physical feature of India, the island. I hope you understand today's topic. So, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.